Yeah, I took her out by herself yesterday.
Good boy.
She was so timid, but
Good boy.
Together, yeah, they're pretty good. I think they're either siblings or mother and son.
excuse me.
Good girl, Leah.
They look a lot better than when they first came in.
Is that right?
They were like really timid. They look a little happier now for sure.
Oh, I'm glad to know that.
They're still really shy.
Yeah. I saw them like one of the first days. I took pictures of them. We took them in the back and like just getting them out of the kennel was hard. I think they're happier when they're with each other for sure.
It seems like it.
They came in together, I think.
Yeah, they did.
Right, yeah.
Oh, they do seem
Nice. Yeah, they look a lot more like happy dogs now. They were.
I'm glad to hear that.
Yeah.
You know, we just started volunteering, and this is my second time walking her. And, I'm glad to hear that she's made progress. She's made more progress.
Good girl. They must be really easy to walk, huh?
Oh, super easy to walk.
We got to find some nice older folks who would just want a mellow dog that's already housebroken, and yeah, they're definitely pets. You know, you can tell they were someone's pet for a long time.
Yeah.
Good.